my beautiful people in the world. So, my name is Ariah, and right now I'm going to be eating some breakfast that my mom made me. We're gonna rate it, and we're gonna see how it is. So right now I got some sausage and some eggs and a waffle. I like to use a knife, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm coming, y'all. Alright, here we go. I'm back now. Okay, so I got a knife to cut my waffle up. So let's try the eggs and the sausage and the waffle. So right now, first I'm gonna try is the eggs. So here we go. I like to be fancy with it, so alright, let's try the egg. I give them an 8 out of 10. It's pretty good. Alright, now I'm gonna try my sausage. Here we go. It's good. It's a little bit crispy. It's well done cooked. It's pretty good. So I give it a 10 out of 10. That's good. Alright, now I'm going to try my waffle here. I'm going to try my waffle. So I already tried this and the eggs. Now I'm going to try my waffle. Here we go. And just cut this baby up. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to have to try this. And make sure that it's cut up real good. Let's cut this. Alright. There we go. Put it right there for a second so I can grab it. There we go. Alright, now I got some syrup on there. It's dripping. It's real good, y'all. Alright, I'm about to try it. Oh my gosh, guys. That was so good. I love waffles. And it tastes so good. So I give that a 10 out of 10. That was so good. So now I'm gonna eat some more. So yeah. And if you would make this at home, you should do it like this and make sure it's well done cooked. And I should try it. This is good. And what I like to do sometimes is I like to mix sometimes too. So yeah, it tastes so good, y'all. So, but I just want to let you know this is my breakfast routine, and yeah, just make sure you give a big shout out to me, my mom, my dad, and if you want, you can do everyone, my sister. Just follow, like, and subscribe, and yeah. So right now, he came my mom in the back, but I got sausage. I made some more waffles. Got some syrup on it. I love waffles and eggs and sausage. That's funny. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. And if you want me to do a next video, I can do that. And yeah, so please give a comment. like. You can also share this. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.